In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. As you can see here, on 26th of January, it says Mr. Sian sent all items against previously issued purchase order. That means that the order is fully delivered by the vendor to us and we want to fully convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. Let's see how we can do this. Now in Tele Prime, we have two options. First of all, from the gateway of Tele, we'll go to display more reports and click on daybook. There we can see all the voucher types along with all the transactions that we have done. So this is the purchase order that we want to convert. Now we have two choices. Either we can just double click to open this and just fully convert this purchase order to purchase invoice, but it will convert the purchase order so that the purchase order will not exist as a document in the background. So what we need to do is just open this purchase order. It is in the alteration mode and we will directly change this one to purchase invoice from the right. From here, click on purchase, and as we can see, the voucher is ordered and now it is a purchase invoice. But this way, the order will not exist in the background. So if we want that to exist as well, we will create a duplicate voucher. As you can see here at the bottom, alternate to is the short key because it is with a single dash. So alternate to, this will create a duplication of the existing voucher. After that, we can just simply convert this purchase order to purchase invoice. So not only the purchase order will exist in the background, also we will be able to convert the purchase order to purchase invoice or create a new purchase invoice out of that. So let's give any number, any invoice number, just for the sake of example. The party name is Sian, and these are all the items that is fully converted to a purchase invoice. So we don't need to change anything. It's exactly the same as we did for the order. And after that, if you want to change the narration, you can just simply copy this one, paste it right here and press Ctrl A. And this is how you can convert the purchase order to purchase invoice. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.